Ever wished you could clone yourself to conquer Quora? Today, we're making that a reality by supercharging your Quora responses with ChatGPT and Zapier. Imagine a question pops up on Quora, and within minutes, a thoughtful, AI-generated answer is drafted, ready for your review, and posting this isn't siffy. Its smart automation will show you exactly how to set this up. First, we dive into Zapier. This is our automation orchestrator. We create a Zap to start building our workflow. Our trigger is the spark that sets things in motion. We'll set up Quora as our first app then. We'll choose a trigger event, a circumflex euros. Let's go with new question to catch every opportunity as it arrives. Next, we connect our Quora account to Zapier. This gives Zapier permission to access and interact with your Quora activity. Now for the magic, our action will be to send a prompt to ChatGPT. We select ChatGPT as our app. Here's where we get creative. We'll craft a prompt for ChatGPT. Think of it as giving instructions. We'll tell it to analyze the Quora question and generate a helpful, informative answer. And crucially, we'll insert the actual question text from Quora directly into our prompt. This ensures ChatGPT understands what to respond to. We then connect our ChatGPT account to Zapier, allowing it to receive our carefully crafted prompts. Now we want to take that AI-generated answer and post it, so our next action is to select Quora again, but this time we'll choose the Create Answer event. Here, we map the output from ChatGPT a circumflex euros, that brilliant AI-generated response a circumflex euros. Into the answer field, we also need to link it back to the original Quora question. By using the question ID from our initial trigger, this ensures the answer goes to the right place. We test our Zap to make sure everything is flowing smoothly. Once confirmed, we turn it on and voil a tilde. Your Quora engagement just got an AI upgrade, saving you time and boosting your online presence like never before.